Okay, so first I started out with this hyper tough kit. Y'all see it, and I used the green, the longest one. Y'all see it right there. And I had a suction cup on, and I have this SIM card. This SIM card is gonna be very special in this video. And the suction cup, showing y'all right now that the screen is no longer working right now. No touch sensitivity whatsoever, none at all. I mistakenly disabled my phone, but it'll be okay. See how the touch is lagging? My phone is disabled, but it'll be okay. Now, I'm placing the suction cup right above the home button. Grab the longest handle in the Hyper Tough kit. Pull up on the suction cup. Gentle, if you don't want to break the LCD. And you pry the screen open. You pry it open gently. Gently pry it open. And it's open. Lift up on it. Don't lift it above 90 degrees because you'll put tearing wear on the cables. But you see how I'm putting pressure on that. Put pressure on it. Hard as you can. Put a lot of pressure. A lot of pressure on it. And with this SIM card, you're going to put it right there beside the SIM card slot right there. You're going to put it on that little bitty little box. But I lost the SIM card, so y'all bear with me. I lost it. I had to look for it. That's why. But so now, yeah, lifting up on it, no farther than 90 degrees. See what I'm pointing to? That is where you're going to place the SIM card. Make sure you put it on there. Line it up with the black box that's sitting on it right there. What you want to do, gently close the string back down. Make sure it's hooked in all the little slots. Close it down gently. Press it down. It's going to be a little bulk in the screen, but it'll be okay. Pull off the suction cup. Snap all the spots that's supposed to be snapped. Alright, so now my phone's still disabled. Now, finishing touch. This is what you get after screen working. Touch sensitivity back in. I'm going to put the code in. Touch sensitivity back. Brand new. I think this is a temporary fix, but it lasted for almost a month with me, and I had to redo it. But yeah, so if you have an iPhone 6 Plus and you're wanting your phone to work temporary, just follow this step right here and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.